In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Udemy password in just a few simple steps. Whether you've decided it's time for a little digital spring cleaning or need to enhance your account security, changing your password is both quick and easy. Follow along, and we'll make sure your account is more secure in no time. Let's start by opening up your preferred web browser. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser of your choice. In the search bar, simply type in Udemy and hit enter. Usually, the first link will take you to the official Udemy website, and that's exactly where you want to go. Click on it, and once you're on the home page, sign in if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the page where you can see your profile picture. This is your main point of access for managing account settings. Click on your profile picture, and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Account Settings. This option will guide you directly into a panel where all your account information and settings are conveniently grouped. Now that you're in the account settings, take note of the area labeled Account Security. Within this section, you should see the option to change your password. Udemy has conveniently placed a pencil icon right next to the password field for this purpose. Clicking this pencil icon indicates you wish to edit or change your current password. It's essential to choose a strong password, one that blends uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and maybe a special character or two. This helps keep your account secure. Type in your new password in the provided field. Double-check for any spelling errors or unintended typos that might prevent you from logging in later. Once you're confident in your new password choice, as security experts say, longer is usually better, click on the button labeled Change Password. And that's it. You've now successfully changed your Udemy password. Taking simple steps like these ensures that your online presence remains safe and secure. Remember, it's a good habit to update your passwords regularly and keep a record of them stored in a secure place, such as a password manager. Thank you for following along with me today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy how-tos. Until next time, stay safe online.